Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Glit Look video where we Glit Look at various art books and magazines with Dave the Dragon with his tongue, and he's enjoying this. He's going through the 2008 ImagineFX magazines, and we're right near to the end now. This is the penultimate issue number 37 for December 2008. And I had a sneaky peek at the end of last week's. Oh, I think it's a tattoo or something. I'm excited to see what this one's going to look like. So let's go and have a little look at it. So last week we looked at this one, which was, well, it's cool. For me, that was one of the coolest covers, because it's just like it felt like you'd gone into the 70s. Which is always cool. And then, but my favourite cover so far this year has been this one, issue number 28, which was a Frank Frazetta special. So the question always is this one going to beat that? That's what we want to know. Whoa. Oh, look. I don't know if you can see that. It says, what does it say? Haha. What does it say actually? It says fantasy art. That's unbelievable. I mean, again, any other year, like the thing with this year, what I've noticed with 2008, like the covers have all been like 10 out of 10 covers. And this is another one. I can't believe it, really. I just can't believe it. This is definitely like my top 3. There's 3 covers which are really hard for me to decide the winner, and these are the 3 here. I'm probably still going to say that one is my favourite, but this one has got, look at the emotion in that. I mean, has she just witnessed the death of somebody? Like a family or something, or has somebody just sliced her up, or she, like, that's the thing, I'm wondering what's happened here, because you can feel the emotion in that one. And I love the colours as well. So David Dragon, he's going to get us in. I love that. I like that she's got a tattoo on as well. What a beautiful one that is. And that one there, Catalina Sokolova, she did the regular cover. This is the subscriber cover. I mean, look how lucky the subscribers were for that month to get that cover. I mean, that one's still beautiful, but that one is just like that. For me, is like a 10 out of 10. This is like a sort of an 8 or something. That's what I'm thinking. But I tell you what I do like. I like little Catalina's little profile photo. It's cool. So inside, hey, here she is. Oh, I've seen that before. Mario, little like Super Mario Wibisono. I've seen that's on that's on the cover of one of the Ballistic Publishing books. Beautiful, and that's the bloke that he was in the last week's issue. He was the advert. He was. Our little editor Claire. Everybody's favourite. So inside we go, we've got a little doggy here, look. Oh, I wonder if that's the bloke who did the... Look, Wario. You know what? I bet you Mario is the guy that did that cover there. So what's going to happen is, I've got a new artist here to fall in love with. Mario Wibisono. Absolutely beautiful. He's reminding me a bit of Louis Royo. That's what I'm thinking here. We've got the FX Pose section. I always like it when you get like 2 colours in an image, like blue and the golden. Because if you sort of squint yourself, you you can squint and see that it's just blobs of colour there. That's nice. If that had been me, I think I would have removed her facial features. Actually, that would look nice twisting of with her hair. So that would look nice, like all you saw was like the back of her head. I like the brush strokes on that. We've got like a robot, Chris Newman. Yeah. Look at that, look. That's quite cool. Oh, I like the colours on that. You wouldn't think to put those colours together, would you? No, I wouldn't. We got a bum there, look. Dave the Dragon likes his bums. He's got a thing for bums. Feedback. Don't know what that's all about. Huh. That's like the things from Half-Life. That's War of the Worlds, that. I wonder if Half-Life was inspired by War of the Worlds then. Look, has Photoshop CS4 just come out? That's crazy, that is. Same to you. A bit naughty, isn't it? 2009 Illustration Masterclass. We got the art. We got all the. This is all the artists we got in this one. Hope you can read that, all right. Steve Anderson, Mr. Anderson. I don't actually recognise any of those names. Aaron Miller. Look at these, look. It's a bit. I don't like that. It's good, but it's a bit creepy, that. Here he is, look, Johnny Duddle. One of the best names, I think. He's got one of the best artist names. Johnny Duddle. It just makes you smile, that name. And the good thing, hey, look, here he is, Nick Harris. That bloke's face, he's very memorable, Nick Harris. That's nice. I like that as well. Another bum. Lots of bums in this issue. Sexy stockings. The art of Aaron Sims. I like that. I like the way they've put the name inside of the monster. Oh, this is quite cool. Hey, that's Harrison Ford, look, Blade Runner. These are like things out of Stranger Things. Like the monsters in Stranger Things. Oh, look, he's even done Incredible Hulk there, look. Oh, cool. Yay! That's what I'm talking about. Look, sketchbook of Mark Toro Holmes. I love that. I'd like to look into this artist, see what their finished work's like. And then we've got this is all traditional work, this is. Yay, look, here we go. Oh yeah, it is as well. Mario Wibisono. I'm going to be looking into this artist. There's another artist, I can't remember their name, but I've got one of their art books. And I actually met her at the London MCM Comic Con back in, that would have been 2004, 2015 or 16 or something. And she did the same thing. Like these sexy ladies with tattoos. Look, I mean, how beautiful are these, look. That's thingy from, that reminds me of the lady from Final Fantasy. It is Tifa. It's Tifa from Final Fantasy. That's the thing. Not only are they creating beautiful characters, they're into the same things that I'm into. Final Fantasy, and that's brilliant. Oh yeah, I wish there was more. I wish there was more of that. And then we got artist portfolio of Tomas Jedruska. Look at these, look. Oh, I like that. There's a story in that one. That's nice as well. I'm getting really inspired here. It's making me want to, look, another bum. Ha! Sexy pose. There's that lady, look, from the back cover. Yeah, I like this one, but it feels a bit, look at that. I love the sketch here. This one feels a little bit too, like, it's going to sound weird, but it looks a bit too perfect. There's not enough, it needs roughing up a bit. That's what I'm thinking. That's why I love sketches, because they have the rough, they have like the, there's something in sketches that is very often not in the finished drawings and paintings. Cool. Manga magic and markers. See, is that a female or a male character? Quite hard to tell. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I like the colours though. We got, look at him, look. I feel like he should have a, he needs to be a bit more protected in there. Yeah, he needs like some sort of shield or something. Because all it needs is somebody with a bow and arrow, and you've taken the whole monster down. Unless he's got a invisible screen or something. Yeah, really, for me, that's a bit of a badly designed cockpit. That's what I'm thinking. Unless, you never know, he might have had a fight and the screen's got shattered or something. Hey, we're going into the anatomy section, look. Shoulders and upper arms. I'm not sure, but I think Marshall Vandruff maybe did the sketches. I'm not sure, but I know I was listening to one of the Proco podcasts with Stan Prokopenko and Marshall Vandruff, and he actually said that he did some of the sketches for these. I think he did the animal ones, because they did an animal anatomy thing, and I think he did the sketches for that. Look, the world of fantasy art. That's a nice one. I like that. Hey, look, they changed their. That's weird, isn't it? I feel like it was better the way it was before. She was looking up, now she's looking down. I'm not sure which is. Look. Yeah, it probably is better having her looking down. But it creates a thing of sadness. These are the reviews from 15 years ago. It's funny. How to draw and paint Fairyland. Hey look, Iron Man's just come out. The first Iron Man, got 5 out of 5. Oh, that's it. It's finished. We finished with the DVD. Plop. I think the best thing about this issue for me was finding that Mario Wibisono. I mean, that is just unbelievable, that is. So I really hope you enjoyed that. There's only one issue left now, which is this one here, next week's, and this is the Christmas special. Well, they say it's the Christmas one, but this is issue number 38, Christmas 2008. So I can't wait. Look, those two actually look quite nice together. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I shall see you later for another one.